Welcome back, children. Today we will start the third type of connective tissue, that is muscular tissue. Now, muscular tissue is of three different types. First is called as striated muscular tissue. Next one is called as non-striated muscular tissue, and third is cardiac muscular tissue. Now, striated muscular tissue means what? These tissues are thick, clear, and you will find dark and light striations or stripes. Understood? This is how. Cylindrical, definitely, it is cylindrical in nature. And these are the striations or stripes. That is why striated muscle is also called as striped muscle. You will find light and dark bands. Alternately, light and dark bands are there. Now, they are nucleated with such type of bands, and hence the name striped muscle or striated muscle. On the contrary, they are cylindrical in shape. On the contrary, non-striated or unstriped muscles, they are spindle shaped or fusiform. This type of shape is also called as fusiform or spindle shape. Ends are pointed and mid portion is thickened. They do not have such type of striations. Now, cardiac muscles, here you will find they have a combination of striped and unstriped. Their appearance is like striped muscle, but their function is like unstriped muscle. Why I am telling you? Now, what happens? These are voluntary in function, means we can change the length of the muscle, means we can extend or contract the muscle as per our own will, as per our own desire. That is why these striated muscles are also called as voluntary muscles. Clear? So the muscle, the length of the muscle can be changed or regulated as per our wish, as per our will. Hence they are called as voluntary muscle. Whereas non-striated muscles, they cannot be changed or they cannot be made to act as per our own will or as per our wish. Hence they are also called as involuntary muscles. Okay? You must have heard of the churning movement of the stomach, the increase or decrease of the iris, the change in shape of the lens of your eye, the movement of the stomach, intestine. All these movements, they are involuntary in function. You cannot control them. They are automatic. So all those muscles are involuntary in nature. Clear? Lastly, cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle, their shape and their structure is quite similar to voluntary muscle, but their behavior is like involuntary muscle. You cannot change their shape, size, anything as per our own wish. Cardiac muscle is working continuously from birth till death. Cardiac muscle is the only muscle in the body which never undergoes fatigue. Muscle fatigue, you know? You have heard of this term? So this cardiac muscle never goes fatigue. It is totally involuntary. It is not in our control at all. It is present only in the heart. The most important. That is why it is called as cardiac. Cardiac muscle is found only in the heart. Whereas involuntary muscles are present, I told you, in the walls of the intestine, the walls of the stomach, in the iris, in the ciliary muscles of the eyes, which holds the lens in position, right? So anywhere in your body, wherever movement occurs without your will, without your wish, without your desire, that is the act of involuntary muscle or non-striated muscle. Whereas striated muscles, these are present in the whole skeleton, wherever we can move our hands, our legs, our neck, our head, this movement, our backbone, all have our muscles of all the muscles of your limbs, whether upper limb or lower limb, all are made up of voluntary muscle. Even in the chest region, you can shake your chest, that is made up of voluntary muscle. Wherever you can make movement as per your own wish, as per your own will, as per your own desire, that is involuntary in nature. Okay? So you have to write minimum 3 differences, and whenever you write 3 differences, you have to write all the 3. Means at first voluntary muscles, then involuntary muscles, and then cardiac muscles. 3 differences you must write of all the 3 together. Right, children? So this will be your homework rather. And these diagrams, you must draw the diagrams, these diagrams. Whatever diagrams I am drawing on the board, you must remember that these diagrams are important. That is why I am drawing it on the board. So these diagrams must be drawn. You will find in your book, or maybe you can find it in Foundation Biology. There also you can find it. So please draw these diagrams in your biology copy. So tomorrow we'll do the last part of this tissue, that is nervous tissue. Thank you.